Hello, brother. Assalamu alaikum. Can I ask you something? Yes, young man. How can I help you? Assalamu alaikum. This is Gulam Sarwar Shumon. You're watching Learning Eye channel. Viewers, I upload 4 categories types of video. Today I have come for the English lover who wants to speak English language well. Viewers, my last video was posted 5 days ago, which was very sad because I was simply sick on fever. Now I am well. So please, let's start. Today's part can be called How Can I Increase Our English Speaking Speed Part 2. But today's part is very important for the English lover because this part can help you how you can speak to a known and an unknown person. Suppose you have gone to an unknown area and you have finished your mobile recharge. Now you are searching for a market by which you can research yourself by your mobile. Suddenly a people who is totally unknown to you and you want to ask him where the market it is. Now, what is the policy? What will be the system by which you can ask him about the market by which you can research your mobile? So let's see the policy. Hello, brother. Assalamu alaikum. Can I ask you something? Yes, young man. How can I help you? I have come from another district and this is my mama's house and I have come here for 3 days ago. Totally I'm unknown to her. That's why I need to know where the market it is by which I can research my mobile. Please help me. Can you tell me? Yeah, there are 3 kilometers distance from here. Maybe. So yours, this is the policy and this is the system. This is the politeness between the known and an unknown person. If you ask a known person, it can be so easier. But if you can ask an unknown person, it will be so politely because the unknown person cannot understand you because you are totally unknown to him and they don't know about the relationship between you and him, and that is why you have to take the policy. The politeness will be the major policy by which you can ask him, and of course you have to use the word please after speaking your full sentences. So viewers, this is the policy by which you can ask someone how far along the market it is, by which you can research yourself. But if the person is totally known to you, what will be the policy by which you can ask something about the market distance from here? Let's see the policy. Hey Mr. X, how far along the market from here? I have to research my mobile. It is totally finished. Oh God, now what to do? Oh my God, just 1 day ago I was researched by my mobile phone, but it totally damaged and totally finished. Why? So viewers, when you will speak to a known person, you will be so fearless, but when you will speak to an unknown person, you will be so fearful. Not like that. You will be so polite, but not fearful, because you have to be fearless when you will start English speaking, because English speaking is not your property. Your property is Bengali. Bengali is your mother tongue. English is not your mother tongue. That is why if you want to speak with your smart English language, you have to be totally fearless. So this is the policy to speak to a known and an unknown person. I was simply sick in my fever. That is why today I'm not well in totally. Inshallah, I'll be totally fever free. So viewers, I'm coming back with some very interesting and tasty episodes for you. Inshallah, from that time, take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.